Hey, so I got something pretty special for you today. This was an Indiegogo. No, it's an Indiegogo. No, this was Kickstarter. It's from a company called Joy Resolve. This is their second one on Kickstarter, and it is a coffee alarm clock. Pick the box up. Oh. There. And I've been waiting for this one for quite a while now. Just pop right into this. Very well packaged. Oh. Now look at that. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's all made out of heat-resistant glass. I don't know what kind. I would imagine like a Pyrex or something like that. It's a vessel for, this one's for your milk, because it will cool your milk or cream, whatever have you, overnight. I'm just going to take this out piece by piece here. Here's the top. That's where your cup will sit, and this is where your funnel sits. Milk goes in there. It's where the burner is. Put that to the side. Take this right off. Reading material here. Safety guide, quite thick. And custom settings. Oh, cool. And error codes. Oh, and the website's joyresolve.com. And it's called the Barisieur. I forgot to say that. Big, thick cord like that. That's just as big as my computer has. Wow. I'll take this base out of the packaging. Take a look at it. It's pretty impressive. Very nice build. That's where your clock will be. Alarm. I'm guessing that's when you brew. Yeah, the cup icon will appear if activated when it's brewing. And you can have this as an alarm, or you can have an alarm and it brew at the same time, or the alarm off, and you can just wake up to the smell of your coffee brewing. I'm not sure of all the settings here yet. There's a brew delay, volume, set timer. Ooh. Wow. That was not a good start. Well, here's the drawer. Ooh. Suction cups to the counter. That's cool. Sweet. I like that. It stays put. Anyway, here's your coffee drawer. Little spoon. It almost made my day bad, but didn't. Keep your coffee in there. Just need a sugar portion, but that's alright. I guess I'll just get this set up. They also have USB on the back here because they have wireless charging pads that are right along with this, which I didn't actually opt in for. Didn't have the money at the time because this was expensive enough. Yeah, that's for their charging pad, or if you have your own, I'm sure you can plug it in there. Oh, there we go again. That thing should have some sort of a lock on it, because I'm a klutz. Anyway, throw the top on here. Like that. Not sure if that works exactly. Put this little guy in his spot here. That's where your milk goes. this one in. Okay, I guess it just sits there like that. So this goes here, like so. Oh. It's not quite on there right. Oh. It's got a little shower head piece on here that sprinkles in. Just put your coffee, tea in there, and you're good to go. Little cup, kind of like that. Okay, move this to the side. Cup underneath it. And back over. Nice production. Very nice. Wish I had a nicer camera to view it with, because it just doesn't do it justice. A little bit better. Got my focus. Doesn't autofocus. I'll go hooking it up soon, and I will show you it brewing. Okay, everybody, I'm back. I put some water in it, and I got a little bit of milk going on in here. Pull that out. There we go. The rubber piece is holding on there right tight. Anyway, some milk in there. Max fill line. Max fill line on the water. I haven't got some coffee in there yet, but I'm going to plug her in here. There we go. Oh, got to turn on the back. I have to give it a few minutes here. It takes a few minutes to start itself up. And there we go. That is on. And here it is 9:06 p.m. So you want to go over here to the knob on this side. Turn it right here a little bit. Right here on this side. Yep. Hold it in. There's the alarm. Keep holding it. Goes to time. And you pick your 24-hour or 12-hour. Press again. And I said it was 9:07 here. Just go through one revolution to PM. 9, press. 7, press. Done. Same with the alarm. You just hold it in. Get your alarm. Set your hour, minutes, AM or PM. And you're good to go. Press it again. Done. And the feet on this thing are great. It has suction cup feet that hold it to its surface, which is really, really, really nice. I will start by throwing some coffee in there. Got this little drawer with your spoon that I dropped before. I got some coffee in there. This is coffee from a YouTuber, Jacksepticeye. His coffee brand is Top of the Morning Coffee. And you can find that at the website of the same name. It's excellent coffee. Anyway, yeah, throw that in there. Pop the spoon off. One heaping scoop. Pull this back here. In there. From what I found, you want to make sure that you put the spoon back in with the tip front down so it doesn't get caught on the edge when you bring it back out. First of all, this button here is your reset when you want to reset it for the day, and it resets your alarm for the next day at the same time, and then your snooze is down.
All the way over to the right here is to have your coffee brew without the sound of the alarm. This one to your far left is the one with the sound of the alarm. And the center, I'm guessing, is just off for the alarm. Or the brewing, I'm guessing. When you do have the alarm on for the morning, you just have to tap it once. And your little coffee symbol will come up on here. That means it's ready for the morning. And if you want to make it right now, you can hold it for 3 seconds. And then it'll initiate the brewing process, which I will do right now. And this will take about anywhere from 3 to 4 minutes, that I've found anyway. Really like the cup too that comes with it. It's nice and light. It's not quite enough for me, so I'm making quite a few of these ones a day, so I'm putting this thing through its paces for sure. I also like how all the rubber comes off of everything, so you can clean everything individually. Yeah, this pops right off. I'm going to have to get some soft pipe cleaner kind of things to clean that out with. You can already see it starting to bubble down in the bottom. I'm not sure if I can get a close enough in of that. This camera setup I'm using isn't the greatest. Start getting bubbles here. Oh, start to see the heat coming in. And once this thing starts boiling, it really starts to boil. And it uses induction heating. There's like a pin that's sticking up from the bottom of where this is, and it just taps on the metal piece on the bottom of the flask there. Pardon me. And yeah, that heats the entire thing. It's nice. And in your fridge being right beside it, you would think it would have some heat transfer, and there's none. This thing is cold to the touch when you pull it out of there. The bottom is nice and cold. Hopefully soon I'll have a better camera to do the filming with on this end. Right now I'm just using a cell phone to record things and then my webcam to record myself. And I'm using my phone through OBS through another program called DroidCam client. And it doesn't have the best autofocus. Anyway, we'll get that fixed. And we're almost out of full boil now. We're getting there anyway. Here we go. Yeah, sorry about the lagging there. And it comes out through like a shower head thing up on top. Pours out literally like a shower head over your coffee and makes some really good coffee. Besides, this is really, really good coffee. Top of the morning coffee, midnight oil blend. It's responsibly, ethically, and sustainably sourced specialty coffee. Want to check them out? I'll leave his link in the description too, which is topofthemorningcoffee.com. Really good stuff. And supporting another YouTuber. And when she's done, you get your beep. And I'm just going to grab myself a glass so I don't make a mess. Back there. And you can just flip this to the side. And that actually wipes that shower head off too as you're going. Pop this down here. Some milk. I need to get myself some cream. I don't know why that's getting stuck. I might have put that rubber band on backwards. There we are, I think. Ta-da! A little milk. Put that back in. I think that's the right way, yeah. Yeah, that's the right way. I had it the wrong way around. That's a good coffee. Oh yeah. I've had about, say, 15 or 16 of these in the last, less than 24 hours. No, just over 24 hours. My bad. Because I've had this thing, I've been using it for about a day now. And just to test it out and everything, see how it works, get used to it before I actually finished it off in my video. And it's very impressive. It's really worth the money. Definitely worth the money. Excellent craftsmanship. That's the Barisieur from Joy Resolve out of England. Excellent build. Feels nice, solid. It's like having a little chemistry set on your desk. And I'm constantly using it all the time. It's a great piece. Excellent Kickstarter. Excellent investment if you want some good tasting coffee, because I've never tasted coffee that good. Very nice job, guys. I'm going to leave all the links and everything to the website, to the Kickstarter, their Indiegogo. You want to look at the comments and stuff, see what other people say. Check out the pricing. Other than that, yeah. Excellent. And I will see you in the next video.